In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a clickable hyperlink in a PDF document with Adobe Acrobat. Whether you're looking to enhance your PDF with functional web links or just trying to make your document more interactive, this step-by-step guide will break it down for you. First, you'll want to open up your PDF document using Adobe Acrobat. Make sure you have the right version installed on your computer, as some features might vary slightly with different versions. Once you've got your document open, look up at the top of your window. There you'll find the Edit option. Click on it to access editing tools that will allow you to modify the content of your PDF. Now, one of the tools you'll see is the Link button. Click on this and then choose Add or Edit Links. This option is particularly useful because it gives you control over creating new links or modifying existing ones. When you click this, your cursor will change to a crosshair icon. This is really handy. What you'll do now is use this crosshair to highlight the specific area in your document where you want the hyperlink to be. Perhaps a phrase or an image, whatever suits your needs. Once you've highlighted the area, a Create Link dialog box will pop up. This dialog box is your control center for customizing how your hyperlink will look and behave. You can set various parameters like the link type, color, and line thickness. Take your time to adjust these settings to suit the style and feel of your document. For instance, choose a color that stands out against the background so the link is obvious to your readers. Next, you'll need to select the link action. In this tutorial, we're going to choose Open a Web Page. This action lets your readers access a website directly from your PDF. Once you've selected the web page option, click on Next. This brings us to a new prompt where you'll enter the URL you want the link to direct to. It's critical to double check the URL to ensure it's correct, as any mistakes will lead to errors when readers click the link. After entering the URL, it's time to exit the edit mode. To do this, go to the All Tools tab, which will allow you to test your newly created hyperlink. Click on the link in the PDF to ensure it directs you to the correct web page. Testing the link is an essential step to verify that everything is set up correctly and functioning as intended. And there you have it, your PDF now includes a clickable hyperlink, making it more interactive and helpful for readers who might want to explore additional resources.